Hi everyone, it's Alissa, Todd, and welcome to my weekly money tips video. This is the first of a 4-part travel series, and if you've caught the travel bug and want to think of creative ways to travel the world so you don't have to spend much money, then this is the video for you. You'll learn 7 ways to make money and travel the world. This is one of my favorite videos that I've researched so far because it just goes to show that if you're willing to get creative and think outside of the box, you can typically make things work. And this video was inspired by Derek Earl, who has a travel blog called The Wandering Earl, and he did an article on 42 ways to travel the world and make money. So I'll be sure to link that article in my description box below. But here are just some ideas that I gathered from that, as well as some personal observations. So let's get right into it. Idea number 1, Opare. And from my personal observation, this seems to be a lot more popular with European countries, and the situation varies, but typically you'll get to stay with a family, so you have a place to stay, and you'll get paid weekly to take care of the family's children, and then allow you to explore the country you're in during your free time where you're not taking care of the family or the kids. Idea number 2, teaching English, and this has become incredibly popular, especially in Asian countries. You don't need to be certified in a lot of cases as long as you're a native speaker. So that's another great idea for you to travel to another country and teach the language that you're already speaking. Idea number 3, freelancing or anything else that you can do from a laptop. So if you have a business that you can operate just from your laptop, you can really pick up and leave, especially if you also have technical skills such as marketing, web design, Illustrator, maybe some legal work, or any type of administrative work that you can do just from your laptop. There are a lot of different websites that you can sign up for and apply for freelance work. Some popular ones include Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal, just to name a few. Idea number 4, sell timeshares. So if you are good at sales and if you enjoy doing sales, you can actually travel to a destination that has major resorts and you can sell timeshares internationally. And apparently these types of resorts like to have salespeople that can relate to their potential customers. So they like it when, Americans sell to Americans, etc. So I thought that was a pretty unique and interesting opportunity if you are good at sales and if you enjoy that type of work. Idea number 5, working holiday visa. And countries such as New Zealand, Australia, Singapore, France, and Ireland offer these to foreigners generally between the ages of 18 to 30. So if you're between that age range, this might be the best option for you to travel the world and make some money. And depending on the country, you can apply to be there for up to a year and then apply for work as well. Idea number 6, scuba diving or diving instructor. If you are scuba certified, you can go to any of the popular scuba destinations to teach that skill to someone else. And there are some really, really beautiful destinations that you can go for scuba diving. And you can the same if you are good at surfing, you can go and teach surf lessons around the world. Idea number 7 is to become a tour guide, and my mom actually did this when she was in her 20s in Australia. So you can become a tour guide for an international tour operations because they are hiring guides for their different tour groups. The pay can be a little bit on the lower side and you may have to sign up for a contract, so make sure that you review the terms before you sign anything. But the huge benefit of that is that you're able to live in another country, get to experience that culture while gaining work experience at the same time. The article on The Wandering Earl has many more ideas, and it was really fun reading through his list. So I'll be putting that in the description box below if you want to get some more inspiration. All of my upcoming videos in this month, so for the next 4, they're all travel related, including more travel websites for you to save money traveling on a budget, so while you're on vacation, and how to save for your vacation. So some tips and tricks there that you can even implement right away. So be sure that you hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get pinged whenever I do upload any of my upcoming travel series videos. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for next week as I'm doing a follow-up on my most popular video on this channel so far. Have a good day.